In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically pin the new tab groups in the Bookmarks bar on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the menu icon up at the top right. Go down and select Settings. On the left panel, select Appearance. And then on the right side where it says automatically pin new tab groups created on any device to the Bookmarks bar, toggle that to the right if you want to enable it, or conversely to the left if you want to turn it off. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.